fire makeup, wood fire blaze, and my friend I gonna put the breadfruit. He put 2 on before, but I want you to see how he put it on naturally. So him set it like that first. How much you put in it, Troy? He might put 5 breadfruit in the thing. 5. You know that big one there, my one. So there it is, guys. When him turn it, I'm gonna show you how he turns it, and then I'm gonna roast, and then after me I'm gonna show you the end result. Okay? So guys, we come back to the breadfruit thing. Try they ready to turn. They not ready yet. Okay. Yeah, man. See, me know a little thing about the breadfruit thing, you know. So try I gonna turn them over a little bit now. He might look for where you look for, try piece of stick for roll them out. Alright, you see guys, he might look for piece of stick for turn them, kind of want his hand burn up, you know. So guys, see, we're gonna turn the breadfruit now. Once when you see it like hashes color, you know that what that side ready. Alright. Try how you can eat the breadfruit then. Yeah. Same way so. You know how me like mine, Troy? When it turn. 2 in the turn. Alright. So 2 in there for me, guys. 1 turn and it ready. Guys, on this fire you can cook anything, any pot, make any soup. Natural fire, guys. So this is a real Jamaican wood fire. Fire blaze, guys. If you don't know wood fire, this is real wood fire. Try. You have to go and take them out or turn them on. Them are going to burn. Or they want to take out, pull by fire, but they soak. Natural jelly, guys. You see country life. Try how you get that sharp look at thing. Cutlass. So guys, see it here? Natural coconut water. Burn up and soak. Just like that. So I'm just a move the fire and make them stay on the bottom and just we soak. Turn that one over the try. Turn that one there. Next one. Oh, not that one. Turn back that one in the middle on the belly. Yeah, turn that over. Yeah. And that one there over the yeah. There you go. Alright. Them just gonna stay right there so now. And soak. Right there so. Give it another few minutes and them are going to soak. Another 15 minutes or so, make them soak. And then they're ready to prepare. Okay, guys? I'll show you after how to peel it and what you can do. You can fry it or you can eat it just like that. Respect, Chai. Big up yourself. Alright, Rastafari, Jamaican style. Well roast and done. So them are cool off. And then after you can eat it however you like. Burn the garbage in the drum outside, that's how you do it. After you full it up a garbage, you just burn it. Unless you have garbage truck to come and take it. But that's how you do it, country style. This is the breadfruit. And this is how it is after I finish roast. And my friend Troy, he's gonna peel it and show you how to peel a breadfruit, okay? So you're just gonna peel it in that cover. Yeah. You can peel breadfruit in many ways. This is how we peel the breadfruit round. When I peel it downwards. Yeah. You can also peel it downwards. It doesn't matter so long as you peel it. And this one turn, right, Troy? It's very hot, guys. Tell them why you hold it, this one, Troy. Why hot? Oh, it's hot. Yeah, right. You see it? You don't want to burn. Yeah. And you don't want the blackness go on the breadfruit, you know? You want to stay clean and pretty. Same way, So you hold it with a towel after you peel off the first part. All natural roast breadfruit. There it is. So now, what you gonna do now, try with it after this?
Cut it.
You're gonna slice it, like peg it.
All part, this one.
Nice and hot. This breadfruit and my breadfruit, guys, it turn out nice. It's a yellow heart or white heart. This a yellow heart, so yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah, and it better for roast. Make it nice. Eat like a butter. Soft and nice. So guys, this is it. You can use some butter. Where's salt? So guys, see it? You just put some natural salt on it, just some sea salt, and it's good to eat just like that. You eat it with whatever you want. Alright, natural coconut oil. See there? There it is. You want to sprinkle some on it too, inside nice like that. If you don't have no butter, because try me not use the butter thing, you know. So me use the coconut oil. See? Just like that, and you can eat it just like that. What you can eat it with, Troy? Again? Alright.
Fish. Vegetable.
Veggie chunks. So guys, see me now having a bite. So guys, try just done roast the breadfruit. Nice and soft. Yellow heart, good to roast. The white heart, prefer to cook on with soup because it's hard to roast. This yellow heart, roast soft and nice. You want to taste it, Sonny? Yes. Sonny wants to taste it. Taste it. How is it? Yeah. It's good? And this is it. I'm going to take a bite. I just put some coconut oil on it.
Same coconut oil about the circle.
I make it iron.
Not
Try. Fully roast, guys. If you want to know how you roast, look at it. Oh my God, it's soft. Look at that, guys. Woo. Real Jamaican roast breadfruit. Say something about that, child.
Yeah, the thing, you know.
Alright, respect, Troy. Thanks so much for roasting the breadfruit for me. One love and big up yourself, okay? Alright, thanks. Guys, I'm just frying some breadfruit for supper. After I'm gonna fry these breadfruit here, these pieces of breadfruit, and guys, I'm gonna serve that up with some ackee and saltfish. Whole heap of fried breadfruit. Breakfast time, and I'm doing some plantain and some cabbage, carrots, tomato, fried plantain, and roast breadfruit, and then you fry it. Okay guys, have a good day. I'll catch you later. This is my best friend Tamara showing me up. Hi.